like you're ready to eat. No, sir. This is awesome. Wow. So we're going to leave that to marinate.
About an hour.
About an hour. We're going to leave it to marinate. And then people, when we're ready, I'm going to show you what happened next.
Sear it first before you put it in the pressure pot. It's not going to taste good. This pressure pot, when you put in everything, it chop in everything so it don't, the pot not burn.
Oh, okay, okay,
right?
okay.
So it keep the juice, it retain the juice, it's a juice retainer. So you have to sear it first on this so it lock in the flavor from the bone. And
so you have about 2 tablespoons of oil?
Yeah, about 2 tablespoons of oil.
So we have, alright, so we're going to put it in before it start the oil hot?
Right, to start fry it up.
And we have to bring it to the Jamaican style, you know, people?
Jamaican style.
Because we grew up eating the turkey neck.
You understand? The ghetto,
right?
Ghetto oxtail.
The ghetto oxtail.
Right.
Ghetto oxtail. Cooker, okay.
Multi-cooker, right?
Alright, people, don't worry, you know, so I'm going to drop the link feed in the description box so you can see what the pot name.
Right.
We can move it straight from the stove.
Right.
Onto the pot.
Right inside.
Yeah. And the man up. Bubble it, bubble like trouble. Bubble with wow, belly. I got nice. Put in all the juices, guys. And what you say? We're not gonna.
No water. We're adding no water to this.
We're not gonna add any water. It's
no
just
water.
the seasoned juices from the season. Add to it.
Right.
You gonna cover it up?
Right.
We'll cover it up for how long?
We'll cover it for about 15 minutes.
Alright, we'll cover it up for about 15 minutes, people. See it there? I only want to see what go on in the pot. I said, this just smell the whole place. All of the flavors that combined. Turn it up so they can see what go on in the pot. Hey, what scotchy him just sit down for top. Hey, the stove top off and we're going to put him over in our pot, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we going over here. So now, hey, so we're going to set the pot up on. I don't know where should I come here so we need cereal final. We are showing you in our pot now, yeah? Yeah, lock up the pot. Alright, the pot say what that you press?
I press it on 5 because 5 have a pressure there.
5 have a pressure.
Yeah, that's a pressure.
Turn it up.
I'm going to set the timer now.
Oh, we have to set it for how much?
I set this 15 minutes in cook, but I'm putting it on 20 right now. I want the flesh to fall off of it.
The pressure pot is being open. Oh my gosh. Isn't this lovely? She's gonna stir it up, people, and let you all get to see what's going on. Isn't that nice? Alright, we have to take you out?
Yes.
Alright, so we're gonna take you out to that pot. You know, come over upon the stove. Tap it up. Nice it up, sugar. Nice it up. Let's see what I go on here, sir. Master, look upon the juices in the chicken, man. The sauce, they look nice. So what we are going to do with it, you know?
We're going to eat it with little rice.
We're going to eat it with little... So I done everything done, you know?
Done, man.
Give me a taste. It's spicy and nice. Now I'm going to make a look on it. See there? It's all awesome. See, look rice it has stretched on the stove.
Yeah.
So we are going to slap with this with little thing, you know, little from this. These cubes. Yeah, nice, it up, you know. Some fresh peppers and onions in a little bit, just to garnish our meat, people. And remember, when I put it, we're just going to let the steam from the meat, the natural steam from it, just cook them here in. Alright, this is a real sous chef, you know, people. You only ketchup, pepper. See there? See there now, we just throw this tonight and we'll just make it steam from the meat. Just slightly cook them here because this is about for garnish, this is about for color, this is about for fresh flavor. People like the fresh bell pepper. Make some fresh flavors come in it. Alright, so we plating, people.
Well, I don't remember saying, my son, my son, me a cookie fine.
Alright, so we are beginning the plating, people. See it. But you boy get a oxtail for the plate. You know, so Shadadaya is a heavy eater. Shadadaya, plate. One more for it. Give one more for it, my sister. One more. Alright, that's so it look. Alright. She's layering the tomatoes, guys. And boy, the food is ready. Okay, guys, so there it is. It is my sister's special from her pot, her kitchen, onto my table today. I am being served turkey neck with plain rice and tomato slices. You see, this is such a nostalgic feeling for me.
내가 물어야 할 말이다.
It's like
오늘이 나의 생일.
way back in my childhood days when people
어째를
cook.
아무것도 주지 않는
When
것이.
my mother used to cook turkey neck for me, we can actually sit down and enjoy my sister's cooking. I encourage you guys, remember,
혼인을 한 지가
like my video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Wims2020, like my page on Facebook at Walking in My Mother's Shoes. Remember guys, turn on your post notification bell so as soon as I drop a video, you will be notified. Share this with your friends. Let them know a food we prepare. Come on, get your share. I'm out, people.